guys, I hope you are all well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I thought I would film a wardrobe office tour because it's actually looking tidy for once. I've been meaning to do this since I first moved in, and we've been here nearly a year now and actually potentially moving in a couple of months. So we're just waiting to hear about our new house, so fingers crossed that goes through. So I thought before I move I need to show you this wardrobe room, and so that's what I'm going to do. So if you haven't already, I would love you to subscribe to my channel. I do 2 videos a week on fashion and styling, and let's get into the wardrobe tour. So I've never done one of these before, so I'm not really sure what you guys want to see, but I'm going to put you on my tripod and show you how I store things, where I store things, and maybe pick out a few of my favourite pieces to show you. So first of all, I'll show you my rails. So these are all my rails. On the windowsill I literally just have some plants that I have neglected and dyed. I have a little memory box, my steamer. This steamer, I'll link it below. I'll link anything I show you below as much as I can. This steamer, it was only like £10 off Amazon. I'll link it below. It's not like amazing, but it's my lifesaver because I take it everywhere with me. I take it when I go on holiday, and it's just really quick and easy to use. You can only probably steam like 2 things at a time, but it's usually all you need for an outfit, and it heats up really quickly, so you can just keep replacing it. And then I have like my sunglasses, lots of sunglasses. So yeah, I just use that. I've got big windowsills, so I kind of use it as storage. And then I have my coats here, and I don't really put my stuff away. Partially because I have nowhere to put it, mostly because of that. Secondly, because English weather is so unpredictable. Like, yeah, I probably could put away like the fur coats, but things like my Mac and like my leather jackets and stuff I will wear in the summer, because British summer, like, just to give you an idea, we're having a heat wave today. Tomorrow it's going to be torrential rain and thunderstorms, still going to be warm. Who knows what next week will bring. Like, literally the weather is so up and down, so I never really like put things away. But I definitely, hopefully in the new house, we'll have like a loft and I can like put them away, because that would be really helpful. Yeah, and then move on to here, I have like my denim jackets. I have like my leather jackets. I have 3 leather jackets. This one I just got actually from Misguided. So I have one that's long and one that's cropped, and they're real leather. And then I just got this one from Misguided. It's a cheaper one, but I just really liked how like oversized it was. Like, I saw Sophie Milner wearing it at an event, and I was like, send me the link to that, I'm gonna buy it. Then I have the most insane collection of denim jackets. Like, no one needs this many denim jackets, and you guys have probably seen it on all of my videos. I've actually done a 5 ways to wear, so I'll link that up here if you want to see, for this denim jacket. And yeah, this is like my most worn denim jacket, is this one. It's the best. Then we have blazers, and I've got quite a lot of blazers considering I'm not a huge blazer wearer. Like, I definitely love a blazer, well, I'm more of a denim jacket kind of girl. And then dresses, which extends over here. I've got a ton of dresses, and most of them are like double hung too, because I just do not have enough space. Like, I'm going to film another video soon. I might even film it today if I have time, of like a wardrobe clear out, because I definitely am like way overdue to do a wardrobe clear out, because I've got way too much stuff here, and definitely if we're going to move, and I need to like some hanger space. So then after the dresses we have my scarves. I've hung them up because I didn't really know how else to store them, but I feel like when we actually move into our house, I'll have, not rails hopefully, I'll have like proper storage, and I'll have more kind of like levels of storage and like drawers and stuff, so much more functional, like space saving, handy storage, because I feel like this isn't the best for like seeing everything and organising. Then I have a ton of knitwear, which I definitely need to get rid of a ton of this, because I know some of it is really seasonal, like trend pieces that I probably won't wear again. And also, like, as well, if I did have somewhere, there's pieces like this super chunky cardigan, which is actually insane. Let me show you it. It's one of my fave cardigans. But how cute is this? It's like my favourite. It's really good as well because it's so warm. It's like, you don't actually need to wear a coat. It's so long too. You can't see it, but it comes to like my knees. But I do think it's stretched from me hanging up, but I quite like that. But yeah, I've got it actually in pink too, like, well, a really similar one from the same brand. So I probably should actually just put a section, because I can't put things away. I probably should just be like that, rails all my winter stuff, but I haven't. I've like mixed in, so I've got like summer crop cardigans in with this. I'm not very, I like try and organise in like sections of things, but I probably should try and organise it a bit better. Also got some hats here. randomly, I don't really wear hats that much. I've got this one, which I got from a Pandora trip, which is personalised with an SC on it, and then I've got this little bucket hat from Accessorize, which is super cute. I just don't know if I sleep bucket hats. What do you guys think? Then moving along, sorry about the light, but the window's there, so there's literally nothing I can do. We have like my trousers and skirts and things here, and honestly, like all of these, look at this one, it's like the hanger's, oh, smooth fell. The hanger is literally breaking. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things on there. So yeah, this is why I need to have a clear out, because I've got so many things like double, triple hung, it's ridiculous. And then I've got my t-shirt collection, which is extensive to say the least. Like looking at this now, I'm like, whoa, but I do love a t-shirt, you guys know. Have actually done 5 ways to wear a white t-shirt. I'll link it up here. If you want to see me style like a slogan t-shirt or something, let me know. Maybe I'll do that actually. Let me know if you want to see it though. I still love the I'm still probably going to do it anyway, but I would still love the love of someone saying, oh, we really want to see that. And yeah, so I've got tons of t-shirts. I've got like a million white, like these are all my white creamy t-shirts, but they're all so different. Like, let me just show you. We have, so for example, we have this Levi's one, which I got in New York, and it's like white with a black thing and oversized and nice and casual. Then we have like my slightly cream one from Gucci, like that's completely different in my opinion. We have like a full-on slogan one from Anna and Bing, and that's like a thicker material, so it's more heavyweight. Then we have like your simple white t-shirt from Ralph Lauren, which is thinner. Then you have your like really lightweight one from Revolve that's got like a rip in the neck. Like there's just, guys, they're all so different that I just couldn't not keep them. And then I have all my cream tops here. These are just all my tops then, and it goes through to shirts. And I have like, again, like look how many things are hung on all of these coat hangers. These are all my camisoles and like crop tops and things. Oh, I love this top so much. This one's from Revolve. I literally wanted it for so long. I might wear this tonight actually. I'm going for a dinner. Ooh, this could be really cute with a little skirt. And then again, just go through, I wore this the other day. I love this top so much. This is from Revolve too. It's got little ties on it. I've just got so many things. That's better. You can see a bit more now. It's not so dark. So yeah, I've got some menswear things that I like definitely should probably get rid of because I've never worn. But the right time and place will come, and then I wish I had it. This top I love so much. It's from Ganni, and it's actually on sale at the moment. I think it's like £50 now. And then we've got my shirts, and I've got loads of shirts. I've got a ton of denim shirts. Like I have 3 denim shirts, but I have one that's like a men's oversized shirt. I've got one that is a belted shirt, and I've got one that is like a patchwork shirt. So I feel like they all have their own meanings and uses. And then the rest is sweatshirts and hoodies. Like honestly, I can't believe how many I have. This is definitely my favourite one though. This sweatshirt here, it's so nice. I actually just filmed 5 ways to wear a sweatshirt too, so I'll link that up here too if you haven't seen it. And then at the end here, I usually just put the things that I need to shoot that are new in. Sometimes I just put them in my wardrobe, and sometimes if it's something I really want to shoot, then I put it there to remind myself. So this t-shirt is from Suzanne. It's a new one, the white t-shirt, and I just think it's really cute. It's a really cute summery one, bit of fluff on it. And then a belt from them as well. And then I've got this like a bodysuit. It's actually a bodysuit, you can't tell. And some denim shorts from Revolve. I have shot the denim shorts already, but I wanted to shoot them with that top, so I'm just reminding myself. Then here I have all of my knitwear, and then at the bottom I have my denim. I definitely sort through this knitwear and check like what I'm going to wear next winter and what I won't, because I feel like some things are super seasonal. And then at the top, if you can see, I've got some more bags, so they're like my basket bags, and that's like my brown bag area. And then if you can see at the bottom here, as you can see, I've got my jeans in there and here, so I've like majorly overflowed on the denim, so I either need to find more somewhere else to put them, or I need to clear them out. And then all along here actually I've got shoes all along there. These are like my trainers and stuff, and then now it's kind of become my overflow of shoes because they were all over my floor. So here is my little jewelry station. So I have on this wall, if you can see, I had Jack put little hooks in. They're like, can you see, they're like little screw-in hooks. They're like really simple. I think they were like 5p from the local hardware store. And I hang my necklaces on there, most of them, or if they're short necklaces I hang them on here, but I really want to get a different one of these because I've seen one that my sister has that's like layered, where this is on top of this. It's kind of annoying because it gets caught in each other. But yeah, as you can see, I've got an array of Pandora jewellery here. I'm an ambassador of Pandora, so I have a ton of their jewellery, and then I have also some of my faves, like my Dior, my watch. I have some Monica Vinegar jewellery here, which I also love. This bracelet here is my all-time fave for Monica Vinegar, and one of my favourite bracelets always, actually. Like, I just think it's gorgeous. And then I love this Pandora jewellery too. This Pandora bracelet is so pretty. I'm not wearing any jewellery today. I'm too hot to like have anything on me. This is a really pretty one from their new collection. And this is also one of my favourites. It's a charm bracelet, and I just feel like I've done the charms really well. Very proud of myself and my charm building situation there. I love this wild one. It like spins as well, and I just think it's really cute. I love it with the gold, and I think it's a really nice like travel one. And then I have a little, I have loads of little ways of displaying Polaroids, like that, and this one here, and this. So here I have a picture of me and Penny when she was a pup, and me and Jack in New York. And then here I have a little shell holding some Polaroids. That is me and the girls when we were in with Intimacy in Verona. And then this is me and the Pandora girls when we went to Thailand. And then in this Louboutin lipstick thing, randomly I have some watches. Like, I just keep them in there. This is like my all-time favourite watch I've ever got, and it's from a brand called Henry Watches, and I just love their stuff. It's so nice and masculine and oversized. Don't know why I don't wear that anymore, to be honest. I'm going to put it on the side to remind myself. I feel like because they're in here I forget about them, so I really need to get a new system. And then I have some more Polaroids here, just some lovely memories. That's me at the Beverly Hills Hotel with Lisa Williams and the two girls from H&M. And then that's us all again at the top of, I think it's Runyon Canyon? No, it's like the Hollywood Hills climb. And then this is me and Jess in Venice Beach when we went on that trip. Then I have all my Pandora rings here on these little ring stacks. I have 4 of them. I don't know if you guys can see. Maybe I should zoom you in. You can probably see the Jess now. But I have my little rings here, all stacked up. These some of my rings are actually in, and jewelry is actually in the bathroom where I took it off last night because I'm lazy, didn't put it away. Might wear this tonight actually. And then my earrings, these are all my Pandora earrings in here. These are my absolute favourites. They're quite new actually, but it's just my favourite thing Pandora have done earring wise, because they're nice and chunky in gold, and I think a lot of their jewelry is quite delicate. So next we move on to my favourite part of the wardrobe, the cupboard, the stand of dreams, shelves of dreams. Up here, I don't think you can see, I have my Golden Goose collection. I have 4 pairs. I'm a bit of an addict. I have like pony skin ones, plain ones. These I actually, no, I was going to say I got them in sale. I didn't get them in sale. I just loved them. And I was going to wait till they went in sale, and then they didn't. And then because they didn't go in sale, I realised how much I really wanted them. This pair I did get on offer. I got them from Vista Village. They're really cool. I love this bit. I think they're so cool. And then just some other bags that won't fit in there, like my Shrimps pearl bag. I love this bag so much. This is like the perfect occasion bag. Literally just up any outfit. I say that all the time. And I've got my shoes. This was like more of a display shoe section, and then it had to go functional. Like before I just had my Balenciaga, my favourite like expensive trainers, like my Balenciagas, my Chanelos. Love these so much, but I'm always too scared to wear them because they're like suede. And my Yeezys, which I don't actually wear much at all. I kind of think I might sell them, but then I'm like, will I regret it? And then my handbags, which as well you can see has kind of become a bit messy, because it used to be like 1 handbag per thing, then it went to 2 handbags per thing, and now it's just all round in, which obviously like I'm so lucky to have this many handbags, but it stresses me out because I feel like they should all have their own unique space to be displayed. This one is like a new one I got, and it's not actually designer. It's £50, and they have it's personalised. You can have just an emoji, you can have nothing, have it in loads of different colours. I love that. Which other one? This is a special one. This is a like limited edition one that I got from Gucci a while back, and actually I've worn this to death. It was such a good one to get. I've got my Chanel bags that are super fancy. I'm going to do a handbag collection video though. I'm probably going to film that next today, so I won't go through everything. This one is like my current one that I'm using all the time, and this is actually from Brand Alley, so I'll link their Chloe page below, because they always have loads of Chloe handbags at a really good price. Shoes, these have to be my favourite shoes at the moment. Look how much I've worn them. They're like trashed. My Chanel shoes, they look fine when they're on though, but yeah, they're definitely trashed. I've worn them every day pretty much since I got them. They are the comfiest shoes, honestly. So obviously they are ridiculously expensive, but I do recommend them because they're so comfortable. I also love these shoes at the moment. These are just some ASOS ones, but they're really comfy and easy to wear and so nice for summer. I've just moved you down so you can see more of the shoes, but yeah, as you can see, the shoes selection's kind of gone a bit like busy too. These are the first Gucci loafers I got, and I still love these so much. They're a bit dusty. I definitely haven't got as much wear out of these as I had thought I would, but I'm glad I still got them because I think they're a classic to have. These ones I have worn to death, and they're the comfiest shoes in the world. Second to the things, I realised I just said that. These, I haven't worn in ages actually, but I do love them. I will never not wear them. They're my faves. They are the Balenciaga boots. They were a killer to wear in, but once I did, I literally loved them for like 5 years. And I bought all these designer handbags, and I was like never investing in shoes, because I was like, that's so much money for shoes. And I was like, do you know what? I've wanted those shoes for ages, so I just got them. And I was very happy that I did. Then I have this big mirror. You guys might recognise this corner actually. This is where I normally film my videos. Let me do the setup like this and stand here. But I actually prefer the white room now, but let me know what you guys prefer. But yeah, I have loads of more bags hung here. This is my fave summer bag. It's so easy to use and it's really good for packing. It's really flat, and so many people have asked me about this. My sister's like desperate to find one like it. But yeah, it's a few years old now. Basket bag from Suzanne, which I also love for summer. Got this little one which has got, oh, it looked like it had stuff in it then. It's like a little Cult Gaia dupe, little Dior dupe. I've got another bucket bag here from Furla, which I love. Love Furla bags. And then I've got another bag, a few more bags down here. I've got this one from Pauline, which is new. And then I've got another basket bag here, which is full of more basket bags. And then by my desk I have this basket, which has got all of my like beauty things, if you can see, that I like want to try or use, or like refills of my fave products. Then we have my super messy desk, which is just an absolute state. I literally could try and tidy this so many times, and then the next day it's a mess again because I need a piece of paper that I can't find. And I have, can you see under here, this desk doesn't have drawers. It's really annoying. So I've got these boxes from IKEA, and I keep my like electricals in there, like my cables for filming, my cameras and my chargers and lenses, and my notebooks, like my spare notebooks, get sent so many notebooks, and my receipts. So very interesting stuff. But yeah, so I think that's pretty much my tour. I feel like that went really quickly, but you guys are probably thinking, no, you blabbered on for ages. Oh, I haven't shown you, there's also more bags, but they're all tote bags. I've got like a bag of tote bags under the thing too. So yeah, basically I have got an excess of stuff and we're moving, so I definitely need to clear out, so make sure you stay tuned for that very soon. And yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy this video. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel for 2 videos a week. Thank you so much for taking time out of your precious 24 hours a day you get to watch my video. It means so much to me. Your support allows me to do my dream job and lets me do this as a job. It means so much to me. Really appreciate it. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart, and I will see you next time.